All right, everyone, congratulations. Your offer was accepted. What next? Okay, this is when you start bringing people on board. First person is your real estate attorney. If you don't know anyone, take your agent's advice. Friends and family who've just closed on a home, if they've worked with a great one, use them. Make sure your attorney specializes in real estate. They take the lead from here. They're the generals. Any problems, everything goes through them. They got to act quickly. They got to act concisely. They got to know what they're doing. So take referrals on this one. You go into a small period called attorney review once your offer is accepted. It usually lasts 1 day or 3 days is the time for you and your attorney and the seller and their attorney to ask for little adjustments like elongated deadlines, things like that. It's not going to take too long, but don't stay too long in review, because in that time, although it's not normal, the seller can still accept another offer. So be relatively quick with this and then get under contract. Once you're under contract, boom, you're locked in. You start your inspection. The next person you got to bring on board is your inspector. Now, this is a tough time for a buyer because this is when you learn everything about your home, and it doesn't have to be tough. Just know this. You need to budget maybe $400 to $1,000 depending on how big the property is, how big the inspection is. And the big thing is don't panic. They're going to go through your home with a fine-tooth comb, and the report that's going to come back is going to be pretty extensive. Just know this. Most of the properties that are being sold are used properties. They're lived in. They're not new construction. So most properties are going to have an extensive list. So what you need to do is focus on the big ticket items. So the stuff that can be potentially dangerous or can financially ruin you. Major structural, health, environment, safety, wood destroying insects, stuff like that, asbestos, oil tanks, crack in the foundation, major leak in the roof. Look for that stuff. Now, when you get the inspection, you talk with your agent, you sort of decipher what you want to talk about, what you don't, and you can ask for fixes. You want to keep this within reason, but you can ask for a few things to be fixed. Now, the seller can say yes, no, or they can offer a credit. Now, this is where the agents really sort of go back and forth, and this is where you start negotiating again. And when you come to an agreement and you get to the end of this, you've cleared a big hurdle. This is a big hurdle in buying real estate. And once you're past this, it gets a bit easier, okay? So again, the big thing is take your agent's advice on this. If you don't know a good real estate attorney, you don't know a great inspector. And then you're ready for the next few people that come on board, and that will be the next episode. All right, everyone. Again, if you have a lot of questions, there's a lot that can happen in inspections, and if you have specific questions, contact your agent, contact me. I'll answer whatever questions you have. All right, everyone. I'm looking forward. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.